Welcome to this video. Suppose you have a text or a string in a variable which is actually a Python statement you want to run. So we will learn in this video how we can execute a string which is actually a Python statement that we want to run. So let's write this statement first or create a variable. So let's create a variable text is equal to, and we can write for I in range 0 to 10. So I want to print the numbers from 0 to 9. So I'm writing for I in range 0 to 10 colon, and then I have to print that. So let's write print I. So this is my statement that I want to run. If I just run this, so this text variable is created. You can just verify print text comma type of text. So this is the text that it is giving, and this is the of class string. But what if I want to execute this statement? For this we can use a keyword from Python library which is exec, which means execute, and in the brackets we can write text. If I run this, you can see this statement is executed, which was actually a string, but Python has considered it as a Python statement now by writing exec keyword, and exec means execute. And for instance, suppose you want to write print I in the next line, and maybe you must have 10 to 12 lines in your code, or maybe more. So for that you can just take that in the next line, and you can see this is not considered as the correct syntax. That's why it is coming at it as green, otherwise it should be in red. If I run this, you can see the syntax error. So to overcome that, you have to place a slash at the end of the first statement, and in the next line, suppose you want to check type of I, again you have to place a slash in the second at the end of the second statement. So this is how you can write multiple statements in a string and run this. So this has not thrown any syntax error, so we are good to run exec text. If I run this, okay, so it is giving me an error. Okay, so let's debug. Okay, so for these cases the slash will not work. For this we have to do something different. We have to write 3 quotes, and in the next line, just like we write normal for loop, we have to write like that and just remove these slashes. So here I can write print I, and in the next line we can write print type of I, and in the next line we can end these quotes. So here slash are not needed. You have to just write as we write for loop normally by using indentation and other syntax that we use. So just run this now and print this and execute this statement. Now you can see it has printed the ith value and then the type of I. So from 0 to 9 it has printed, and for each value it has printed the class int. So this is all about this video. Hope you liked it.